Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Many people think that the golden brown color in the rice comes from soy sauce and sesame oil. And while both of those ingredients do add a bit of color, most of the color actually comes from properly cooking the rice on its own to a golden color before adding the rest of the ingredients. So, the oil is important.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rule number 1. Use the right rice. Almost any fried rice recipes typically call for Chinese-style medium-grain rice, though Thai-style versions use fragrant jasmine, and Japanese-style fried rice can even be made with short-grain sushi rice.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to WebMD, the main component of this dish is white rice, which doesn't have much fiber, and can cause you to not feel full. It's also typically filled with plenty of soy sauce, which adds tons of sodium, and, of course, is fried in oil that could potentially cause you to pack on the pounds.
Let's help you make your mark.
Despite the different seasonings, the key to making the fried rice smell aromatic is keeping the rice dry during stir-frying. Other common seasonings are fish sauce, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, white pepper and oyster sauce.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.